Think of a building like the cake. We basically used to put a lot of extra frosting on the outside of the cake to really show it off from the outside. So there you have the top of the jeweler's building, and you can see all that frosting up there. So if we see a lot of frosting on the cake in Chicago, generally that's going to tell you, for us, it's a little bit older, anywhere from the 1880s through the 1920s. And so then after modernism, you have a style that literally means after modernism, post-modernism. And here you have an example of that from 1983, just known by its address, 333 West Wacker. That's a postmodern building that's basically adding frosting back onto the cake. And what I mean by that is it's just trying to have fun with architecture again. The main way they do that is by referring to their context. They kind of talk to things around them. I'll give you guys an example of that in a little bit.